Ako po si Takala Summer B. W. Ako po ay 4 na taong gulang. Ako po ay nakatira sa J. Marzan, Sampaloc, Manila. Ako po ay nag-aaral sa Maranata. God made me special. I am special because I have mommy and daddy and Lolo and Roa. My body, my eyes help me to see. My nose help me to smell. My mouth help me to eat and talk. My arms help me to carry and hold. My legs help me to walk and stand. This is the shapes and colors.
Let's go!
This is circle. The circle is pink. This is square. The square is green. This is rectangle. The rectangle is blue. This is star. The star is yellow. This is heart. The heart is red. This is triangle. The triangle is violet. This is diamond. The diamond is blue-green. This is oval. The oval is brown. This is hexagon. The hexagon is orange.